I'm going to try a corner to corner, but instead of just regular double crochet, we're going to use linked double crochet. So there won't be those gaps. So I made a slip knot, and we're going to do 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we skip the first chain, and into the second chain from the hook, we yarn over, pull up a loop, and hold it. Okay. And we skip the next one, and we go into this. We yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, just as if we were doing a regular double crochet. So now this is the way it looks. Here's our chain that counts as 1 double crochet. Here's our linked double crochet, and there is the actual linkage right there. So yarn over. Actually, you don't yarn over first. That's one of the things about the link stitch that is, you have to be careful. Don't yarn over first. Just go into the link, yarn over and pull up a loop and hold it. And you go into the chain at the bottom, the next chain at the bottom, and then you pull up a loop there. And now you finish as if it were a regular double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now this is a slightly smaller block than usual. It has 3 chains and then 2 linked double crochets, and you can see the links here. That's a link and that's a link. Go ahead and do 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And skip this first one and go into the next one. And I call it making the link. You just pull up a loop and hold it. And you skip again. And you finish it. You go into the link, make the link, then you go into the next chain, pull up a loop. Now you're in your 3rd double crochet. Did you stop halfway instead of finishing it? Then you move over to the first block that you made. Here's you're pulling this down, turn it up, and then go into the top of this middle stitch right here. And you just do a slip stitch right in the middle of your last double crochet of this block. And then you go into the top. You could just go through it like that and just kind of fudge it. But you pull through all of the loops. Okay? So you've got your 2 blocks side by side now. Now you're going to do 3 because you're in the middle. You're in the middle of the blocks. 1, 2, 3. Go down to the second one. And you make your link, which is just yarn over, pull up a loop. You go into the next space. And you finish that double crochet. It's a link double crochet. There's the link. Let's make another link double crochet. And again, this one's a little difficult because it's on the side. And it's not easy to find where you're supposed to put your hook. So sometimes you just have to fudge it. Just fudge it. Now we're going to do 5 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the first, go into the next, make that loop. skip the next, go into that, make that loop. Now finish as if you were making a regular double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Go up and make your link like that. Into the next stitch, you pull up and you stop halfway. Turn the whole piece up. Go into the stitch on the side here in the middle, pull through that. Show you again. You're making your third linked double crochet. You stop halfway. This is not a linked double crochet. This is a chain, the side part that curls when you make your first 5 chains. This is counts as a double crochet. So it's 1, 2, and 3. On the third one, you stop when you have 2 on your hooks, and then you turn your work, and you don't put it in the bottom one, you put it in the middle. Because see, there's 1, 2, and there's like this twisted one that's 3. So go ahead and do that slip stitch. And you go up one more to that twisted stitch area, and then you just slip stitch through those 2. Okay, so you've finished it. Now you make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Go into the second chain and make your link. And you go underneath the next space available to the left, and you finish it as if it were a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's what I just did. Now you go into the link, pull up a loop, and then you go down into the bottom. This can be a tight stitch. So now you have 3 on your hook, 3 loops on your hook, you yarn over and you pull through 2. Then you skip up to the, not the first space, but the second space, and you make a slip stitch. Then you go up one more into this area, which is very twisted. And it's sometimes very difficult to get under those. But once you do, you pull through these 2 and you tighten it all down. Let's do 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Because we're in the middle, we're not on the end. Second chain from the hook to make your link. Okay. Make another linked double crochet, and since it's on the outside edge, you don't have to stop halfway through. You just finish it. Let's make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the first chain into the second. Make your link, hold it, go into the next one. You skip that one as well. And you finish your double crochet. Go into the link, hold it, go into the next chain, go through your 2 loops, hold it, turn the whole work, turning the whole thing like that. Skip the bottom, go into the middle stitch on the side here. Make a slip stitch in the middle of your stitch. Go up one more, make a slip stitch through these last 2 stitches. Okay? 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. hold it, finish your double crochet. This is not easy. It gets tight sometimes in that stitch. And when you get halfway through, you stop, you skip that first one, and you go into the next one. Make a slip stitch. Make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Skip it. Go into the second one, hold it. The next one, there we go. This is the last one. Pull through 2. Stop it. Go into the side. Make that slip stitch. Then you go into the top. You pull through those 2. Make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Make your link. Finish your double crochet. Make your link. Finish your double crochet. But this is how you do the linked double crochet C2C. I hope that you enjoyed this and that you will give it a try. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.